Hello everyone, I'm back from holidays and here to unbox my bridal bag with you. This lovely bag is for my bridal reception because I wanted to have a bag to keep my little things that I will need during the day. I will be telling you more about the marriage on a different video that is coming soon. So now let's start unboxing this little baby. Okay, before I start unboxing, I ordered 2 items from the Dior online because I didn't have time to do the in-store purchase. It's been crazy since we had only 4 months to plan the wedding. So yes, I knew what I wanted. It is going to be a surprise for me and you when I unbox because I know the color and what I wanted, but I don't know how it looks in reality. So without much ado, let's start. This is the box that it came in. And this is how it looks when I open it. So as you can see, like this, a tiny box over here, and behind that another box, which is my bag. So I ordered 2 items. One is this tiny Dior shopping bag. And it came, I actually ordered a tiny twilly, and let's see, it's so pretty and it has Christian Dior, written over here. I think I'm gonna take out this, and a twilly is very good, like you can use it for anything. I can use it for my bags as well as like putting it on me as a scarf or a hairband. So let's keep this aside. Now the box. So this is the box that it came in. Looks cute. Dun, dun. Okay. As you can see, I've not opened it. It's completely brand new. Right now in my head I'm saying, please don't be ugly, please don't be ugly. Oof. And here's the bag. I'm speechless. I love the smell of leather. So as you can see, I got Lady Dior pouch in Rose des Vents color with patent Cannage calfskin leather, and it has Dior charms, which we'll open in a bit, as well as the gold chain. Let's open it. This is my first Dior bag, so I'm like, eep. So as you can see, the charm is over here, Dior charm, and this is the gold chain. And inside the bag, I can see it's made in Italy, and inside the bag there were these 2 wallets. I still have a lot of space over here. So this is how it looks. I can use it as a clutch. So as you can see, this is the rose color. It perfectly matches my reception day wedding reception dress. That's why I got it. And it has the gold charms as well as the gold chain, which I've tucked in right now. It cost me around 1,450 pounds, which is roughly $1,800. I really wanted this color because it matches my wedding reception gown, and I didn't want to spend on Lady D or any pricier bags because I wanted the Lady D in red or white, which I can wait for later. But I'm super stoked about this bag because this is my first bag in Dior, and I think this is my perfect starter bag with Dior. I'm gonna like do a happy dance after this. So let me know in the comments if you are thinking of buying a Dior and what bag is in your wish list. I would love to hear from you. See you in the next video. Bye.